Historic and devastating wildfires, Atlantic hurricane season that has broken all-time records, and a wet and warm Arctic that is actually not an anomaly anymore. The signs of climate change are front and center this year. But how can a warming planet mean so many different kinds of severe weather, from droughts to floods? Well, to answer this question, we have to understand what a warmer atmosphere does to the planet, because concurrent disasters will get more common as the Earth gets hotter. That means more weeks where fires, floods, heat waves, and disease layer on top of one another. Greenhouse gases are increasing the temperature, and as a result, the temperature is speeding up the rate of evaporation of water. So that in turn means more droughts, which leads to heat waves and wildfires. On the other hand, in places that are already humid, like the breeding grounds for hurricanes, that same evaporation leads to more clouds and storm formation, more storms, and ultimately more floods. And this summer, we have seen above average sea surface temperatures in oceans all over the world. In fact, some of the warmest ocean temperatures on record for the Atlantic Basin in 2020. As a storm moves over hot water, it transforms the evaporation of that heat into energy very quickly. And in recent years, scientists have seen evidence that global warming is already making cyclones more likely to grow large and powerful more quickly. So the intense hurricanes are getting more intense. Scientists have also found that hurricanes are dropping more rain, which means more flooding. Wildfires are also a natural phenomenon, but they are burning more frequently and intensely as the season gets longer, hotter, and drier. Wildfires thrive on high heat, low humidity, strong winds, and dry vegetation, all of which are more likely to occur in a warming climate. Throw in the possibility that there may be a link between increased lightning events and climate change, and it's a recipe for rapid fire growth. Now for the hopeful part. Well, it's clear that climate change and its impacts are happening now. But how bad it eventually gets depends on how quickly the world can reduce its carbon emissions. But be prepared for more weather records to be broken again and again. And now, you're Science Smart. If you have a science question on your mind, send me a tweet and I'll try to get it answered.